Hi, so this is my 265 for final project, which is a simulation of a ramen making shop. So I will just show you also this is like the basic interface. I have written everything, like what eco points I used here, like the images were all created by myself using Figma. I will show that in the end. And then the audio was taken from the free soundcloud.org and it was like edited in Adobe and other softwares. So here's a basic game run. So as you can see, it just starts like this. We have a start screen. You just press start. I did all the sound effects and everything. So you start by turning on the lights, which in turn plays the music for you. All the instructions will be on this count table. So now you click on the container to start the boiling. Now you just wait for some time and then you can just close it whenever you want. So like, let's turn it off. And then it has a timer and like this Berlin noise, which like, so it's like kind of emulating that the container is hot. So just wait for it to cool down before moving it. So now it's cool down, you move it to the bowl. Again, the Berlin noise right here. And then you add the noodles in. Now it's done. Now, like we have to open the seasoning device on the right here. We open this. And now we can move the bowl and we put it here. And like now everything's ready. So we start the device by just clicking here or like any button you want. Now it's a timer based with the sound effect. As you can see the sound effect, and we wait for like 9 seconds and then it takes us to the next stage. Now it's done. I have added the windows, like changing day and night based on the examples, a fan, and then this is made using recursion, also the clock too. So when you click the ramen shop, it takes you to this, which is like a decorator pattern. And now you can either end the game, just end the app by just clicking this button right here, or you can like decorate it. So let's decorate it first. We take the egg, place it like simple functions with sound effects. Same with the seaweed. And now we are done. Like it says, just click the yellow button to end. We click it and we are done. Now we can just restart the game by clicking restart and it just restarts from the start. So that was basically the game. Now for the code requirements, I have 3 classes for Berlin noises, which are like, we have drops, not drops, drops is not a Berlin noise, effects and steam. These 2 classes are made with Berlin noises, just so we have easy access. And then there's this folder, which have all the assets, like these are all drawn by hand. I'll show you the Figma. So this Figma doc, I'll link it to. This is all the like things we used for the app. And then these are all the images and the sound effects we used for the app. And for the, and then same with the sound effects. Let's go to the panel class. We have our factory. There's the factory class, which is all the major things listed. And when we go to the panel, I'll like written again, I have written everything like these, like I tried implementing 4 ecos, so you can see that, because yeah. And then I have linked the Figma document, so you can like verify. Same with the audio files. I used freesound.org for all the audios. And then just a basic explanation on how the game works. I had like a little bit of code like every class, just so you can have like a bit of a good, like easier time going over. The intro screen was shown. We have this intro screen when you start. adjust the center screen, you press start and it starts. And the music only starts when you turn on the light again. Like now the music will play. That's the basic ones. Now here is the factory thing. Like we create a new factory and add all the buttons and stuff. Well, yes, that's basically about it. This is where every like string is for the instructions on the bottom of the screen. We translated it so it moves to the bottom. Like I have added small bits of comments again throughout the code. This is like from the lab. And then this is like the abstract class. And like most of the classes, like Bell is extended from the start button. Like this is the button where you, like I've written for the button which takes you to the restart screen. So the yellow button on the final screen, there's the start button. And like we have inherited from the class. So there's no redundance of code, sorry. This is the abstract class, which is object from like the 4 packages are right here. We have background, kitchen, main, and util. Kitchen has all the decorator patterns and everything. Background is mostly the main screens, like the end screen, the welcome, kitchen, object, and lamp. Object is just our like main class kind of. I just named it here, the abstract class. And then everything else is in the panel. We used font Montserrat. I'm pretty sure I showed you this. Yeah, Figma for everything. Sounds from SoundCloud. And yeah, that's basically about it. Thank you so much. I'll add a README document too, just so you can go over it easily. Thank you.